Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're struggling with frozen shoulder pain, you know how challenging it can be to find relief. Today, I'm going to show you the 5 best exercises for frozen shoulder pain relief that you can do right at home. These exercises are designed to help improve your mobility, reduce pain, and get you back to feeling your best. Let's get started. Warm up. Before we begin, it's important to warm up your shoulder to prepare for these exercises. Let's start with a gentle warm-up. 1. Arm circles. Start with small arm circles, gradually making them larger. Do this for about 30 seconds in each direction. This helps to get the blood flowing and loosens up the shoulder joints. 2. Shoulder shrugs. Next, let's do shoulder shrugs. Lift your shoulders up towards your ears and then release them back down. Repeat this 10 times to relieve any tension. Exercise 1. Pendulum stretch. Our first exercise is the pendulum stretch. This is a gentle way to get your shoulder moving without putting too much strain on it. Bend at the waist and let your affected arm hang down. Gently swing your arm in small circles. Do this for about a minute, then switch directions. This exercise helps to increase the range of motion in your shoulder. Exercise 2. Towel stretch. Next, we'll do the towel stretch. This stretch helps to improve flexibility and range of motion in your shoulder. Using a towel, hold one end in each hand behind your back. Use your good arm to gently pull the towel upward, raising the affected arm. Hold this stretch for 10 to 15 seconds, then switch sides. Repeat this stretch 2 to 3 times on each side. Exercise 3. Cross-body arm stretch. For our third exercise, we'll do the cross-body arm stretch. This stretch helps to relieve tension in the shoulder muscles. Bring your arm across your body and use your other arm to gently pull it closer. Hold this stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, then switch arms. Repeat this stretch 2 to 3 times on each side. Exercise 4. Doorway stretch. The doorway stretch is another great exercise for improving shoulder mobility and relieving pain. Stand in a doorway and place your hands on the doorframe at shoulder height. Lean forward gently until you feel a stretch in your shoulders and chest. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Repeat this stretch 2 to 3 times. Exercise 5. Finger walk. Our final exercise is the finger walk. This exercise helps to increase the range of motion in your shoulder without straining it. Stand facing a wall about 3/4 of an arm's length away. With your elbow slightly bent, walk your fingers up the wall as high as you comfortably can. Hold for a moment, then walk your fingers back down. Repeat this 10 to 20 times. Cool down. After completing these exercises, let's cool down with some gentle stretches to relax the muscles. 1. Child's pose. Child's pose is a great way to relax the shoulders. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, and reach your arms forward. Hold this pose for a minute, breathing deeply. 2. Neck stretches. Finally, let's stretch the neck. Gently tilt your head to each side, holding for 15 to 20 seconds on each side. This helps to release any remaining tension in the neck and shoulders. These exercises can make a big difference in relieving frozen shoulder pain and improving your range of motion. Remember to perform them regularly and listen to your body. If you experience any sharp pain, stop immediately and consult a healthcare professional. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. See you in the next video.